Hi, good morning. My name is Wilder Lopez. I am the manager of the company. Thanks for coming. So, please tell me about yourself, Alejandra.
Hi, Mr. Reader. My name is Alejandra. I am 31 years old. I am from Manizales, but I live in Bogota. I am flight attendant. I am married, and my hobby is riding a bicycle.
Great. What are your strengths?
My strengths are I like teamwork. I am a patient person. I like to be responsible in my work.
Excellent. What about your weakness?
I am perfectionist, but I can manage the time very well.
Mm, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I want to be in this company and be able to move up
Why do you want to work for us?
because it is an excellent company and I can continue climbing it.
Okay, thank you very much for coming, Alejandra.
Thank you.
So,
Bye.
it's a pleasure. Bye.